Pesticide-free lawn treatment.
Hey everybody, it's me, Courtney Fraser-Jones, the Adult Programming Librarian at the Terry Library, part of the Central Arkansas Library System.
Ah, spring. Time to welcome hardworking visitors back to your garden. Buzz, buzz. Ah, beautiful flowers. Welcome to spring. We're so glad you're back. Look at you, so beautiful. We're so excited about having you back. We're even excited about having this guy back. He's a great dancer at parties, but not these guys. Weeds. But fortunately for you, you have something at home to combat weeds. Cornmeal. Did you know that sprinkling cornmeal in your lawn is 65% as effective as applying pesticides? And it's a lot more delicious. Here's what you do. Just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle on the affected areas. Let's go in for another one. There we go. Good job, folks. Good job. Don't forget the hand pulling. I find weeding to be very relaxing. Don't forget to leave some of your weeds right on top of your lawn. This works as compost and acts as a blood transfusion for your lawn. You can also do this by leaving your lawn clippings after mowing right on top of your lawn. Cornmeal is also antifungal and takes care of fairy rings. Not this kind though, you're on your own with that kind. So get out there and enjoy that garden and that beautiful lawn, knowing that it's pesticide-free. It's a beautiful time of year. Tune in next week for another tip.
He's really fine.